Hello YouTube, I'm back with another Need for Speed The Run video, and I was using my computer, so that's why that's on. And, we're back. We're gonna do Act 2 today. I should probably turn my light off because that gets really annoying, and I don't really need it either. So, my driving is still good. Anyway, let's resume.
Was that really necessary?
And I thought you were in this for the thrills.
The race is about to start. Get ready.
Sure thing, Miss...
Look, there's Paolo Sandretti.
so you're a racing fan then?
We need to win the first stage to scare these guys. Do whatever you need to do.
Okay. Here we go. 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 Hurry up. Hurry up. Episode 2. The race begins. There's actually like 150 players in this. It's just showing those 8 because those are the only people I have to pass right now. See? Come on. Almost. What was that, idiot? Hey. Alright, let me just... Come on. What? What does that mean? Oh, the circle part, okay. Oh, geez. It's really hard to get my hands around because I'm recording from the camera. No, there's other races you too. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go, this is what I'm talking about. Come on, are we almost there? I can't tell. Oh, there we are. And boom. Oh, well, hope you guys enjoyed that one. That was Act 2. That was Act 2. Hope you guys enjoyed. And have a nice day. Please like, subscribe, comment, you know, that stuff. Thanks. Bye-bye.